Thinking about investing in an IPO? Before you jump in, there's something every smart investor needs to know about: S-1 and F-1 filings. When a private company decides to go public, they can't just start selling shares. They need to file a detailed registration statement with the SEC. Think of it like a house listing, but for a company. S-1 filings are for U.S. companies, while F-1 filings are for foreign companies listing in the U.S. IPO filings reveal everything about a company. You'll find their business model, complete financial history, risk factors, how they'll spend the money they raise, and who runs the company. It's the most comprehensive information you can get about a company going public. As a retail investor, these filings are your superpower. They help you see behind the marketing hype and understand the real business. You can assess risks, spot red flags like heavy losses or overdependence on key customers, and make smarter decisions about when and how to invest. When reading IPO filings, focus on 4 key areas. First, financial health. Is revenue growing? Are profit margins improving? Second, business model clarity. Can you easily understand how they make money? Third, management quality. Do they have relevant experience? And fourth, risk assessment. Are they too dependent on a few customers or facing regulatory challenges? Here's how the IPO process works. First, the company files their initial S-1 or F-1. Then the SEC reviews it and requests changes. Next comes the roadshow where they market to investors. Finally, they file the final version with pricing, and trading begins. The whole process can take several weeks to months. Let's be honest, IPO filings are challenging. They're often over 300 pages long, written in legal language, full of complex financial information, and you have limited time to read them before the IPO happens. The insights are valuable, but they're buried in hundreds of pages most people don't have time to decode. That's where Stockadora comes in. Our AI-powered platform reads the complete S-1 and F-1 filings and gives you clear business model explanations, financial performance summaries, and risk assessments in plain English. You get fast analysis within hours of filing, focused on what matters to retail investors, with links to the original documents. Remember these key points. First, S-1 and F-1 filings are the most comprehensive source of information about companies going public. Second, they reveal the reality behind IPO marketing hype. Third, while they're complex, AI analysis makes them accessible. And fourth, understanding these filings gives you the same foundation that professional investors use. Ready to make smarter IPO investment decisions? Visit Stockadora.com to explore our IPO intelligence platform. Don't forget to subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching.